Good morning, guys. I have my coffee here, 3 Point Coffee, and I'm going to do some planning this morning. And I've got eggs on. Hi, Miley. I've got eggs in the steamer, so that will be breakfast, and I'll bring you back and show you that. Okay, guys, it is 9:30 already, so I'm having 3 hard-boiled eggs. I'm not going to have a snack before lunch, and we're gonna call this good for breakfast. And I do have to run into town, so I want to make sure I'm nice and full. I don't want to have to get anything there, so I'm just getting some stuff for some chili to make. And I will post the recipe where I found it down below. It's from Fit and Fabulous Mamas is where I found the recipe, so I will post the link to her video for that down below, so if you want to try it out, you can. This is lunch, guys, and I also had some baked cheese chips, and that is it. Okay, guys, I got supper on. I'm just putting it on the stovetop, not in the slow cooker. I'll just leave it cook all day, well, for about 5 hours on low, and that will be dinner. That is the chili I was talking about. I will post the link to the recipe below to Fit and Fabulous Mama, but it looks really good. I'll let you know how we like it. Hey guys, here is the chili. It is really good. I did have to add 2 tablespoons of chili powder. It was kind of plain for us before then, but this is terrific with the added chili powder. So that is it, and that is my dinner. Okay guys, this is my snack for the night. It's just a strawberry cheesecake yogurt with the fat-free Ready whipped cream. Really, really good. It tastes like a cheesecake to me. So, yep, I'm going to have that for dessert, and I'm going to close up the vlog here right away. It's kind of late. It's like 7 o'clock, so this will be the last thing I eat, and I'm going to drink some more water, and then I'm going to try to head to bed early tonight. So we will see you guys all in the morning. Thanks again for coming back and watching.